Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 13 Best Bullet Journal Notebooks 2021, all you need to 4.1 Leuchtturm 1917, great choice for any level. 4.2 Moleskine Classic Notebook. 4.3 Rhodia A5 Web Notebook. 4.4 Moleskine Watercolor Sketchbook, best option for hardcore artists.
Take our lead.
Moleskines have more signatures, more groups of pages, each with fewer leaves, which should mean they open flatter and stay tight longer. Leuchtturm paper is thicker and better quality, but the paper finish is very similar to Moleskine.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Bullet journaling for beginners. 8 steps to get started. Step 1. Adjust your mindset. Step 2. Get a journal and writing utensils. Step 3. Start an index page. Step 4. Create logs. Step 5. Pick signifiers. Step 6. Document items with collections. Step 7. Make time for it. Step 8. Get better, gradually.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A dotted notebook is a great way to keep track of plans by drawing calendars that work for you. Whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, or all three, it's up to you. Thanks to the dots, it's easy to draw neat lines and separate the page where you want, so you can create the size and format of planner you need.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Essentially, a bullet journal is a customized planner sketchbook to help you capture notes, thoughts and inspiration. Cool bullet journals are one of the hottest elements on social media, but this analog tool is more than a ploy. It really can help you boost creativity and plan website design projects.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.